Alright, hi everybody, this is Mrs. Ornelas, welcome back. So for today, ladies and gentlemen, today our do now, we did our Avid name tag. You guys got to build it out of pipe cleaners and string and no writing utensils. And we got to talk a little bit about that experience and what it was like. I got a cool picture, you guys. I'm going to send it to Ms. Garcia and see if they can put it up for our Avid stuff. We also, if I had any of you that were missing your Avid syllabus, I checked those today during your do now. For the rest of class time, since I took a little bit of time, we also discussed the idea of you never get a chance to make a first impression. We also discussed our Avid road trip. In your groups, you started brainstorming what you want to write by each one of these letters and what's going to be our social contract that's going to keep us together for the year. We didn't quite get to finish this. We will be finishing this up on Friday since today was a modified day. Okay? All right, ladies and gentlemen, as always, our exit ticket was the Mendes 3Rs. I asked you a few days ago to know what they are. We're going to find out what they are on Friday. So that was the last thing I left you with, so we're going to check for that on Friday. All right, ladies and gentlemen, if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me, reach out to me in person, on email, or during my office hours. You guys know when those are, Monday through Thursday, 7 to 7:55. All right, guys, I'll see you guys in class.